What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to repost someone's TikTok video. So here I have TikTok opened and I have a video. I've paused it just to explain. However, make sure first you have the latest version of TikTok on your phone. So make sure you update TikTok to the latest version. Here on the video page, you'll find on the right many options, the like, the comment, and you'll find at the bottom here above the picture, you'll find an arrow icon. That's the share icon. If you tap on it, you'll see here the row in the middle. The first icon here is repost. That's the yellow icon with the two arrows. Here you can tap on it to repost this video. So if I tap on it, it says you reposted this video. However, you should know that if you do not find the option, the repost button here, that means this account has not enabled this feature and there's nothing you can do about it. So you can go to another video and repost it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.